Hello, this is a short instructional video on how to record a voiceover PowerPoint using Zoom. First, you open Zoom and click on New Meeting, usually an orange icon. Then you set up Zoom for PowerPoint. Of course, it's voiceover, so make sure you are not muted. Video, it depends on if you want to show your face or not. If you just want students to hear your voice and view the PowerPoint, then you can stop the video here. At any time, you can choose to restart the video during your PowerPoint presentation, or you can just keep it off. Then you click Share Screen. It's in the middle on the bottom menu. What will appear are some options: desktop, whiteboard. You might have another desktop if you're using multiple screens. Then iPhone, iPad via AirPlay. And if you have any files open, like if your PowerPoint file is already open on your computer, then it might appear here below the desktop one icon. I just clicked the desktop and then my share button. Then I went to my desktop or wherever you have your file, open the file folders as you normally would. I have a Mac, but it should look similar on a PC. Here is my PowerPoint file. I click that. Then once my PowerPoint's open, I click Slideshow to view. Then I start my PowerPoint. I keep it on the first page of my PowerPoint, and I can move my cursor up, and I have a menu here. The menu allows me to choose these options, or far right says More. On More, I go down to Record, the third tab. In Japanese, I'm not sure, but it's probably the third tab as well. Once you click Record, you begin your PowerPoint as you normally would during a presentation or a class, speaking and clicking through the slides. At any time, you can go up to the menu, bring your cursor to the top menu, it will drop down, and you can decide what you want to do. I can start my video, hi, or stop my video at any time, and continuing through my PowerPoint presentation. When I'm finished, I will want to go back to that top menu and click Stop Recording from the More menu. And this one appears to be number 4. Once I click Stop Recording, I can end my meeting if I choose to. Probably you'll want to end your meeting when the recording is finished. And that again is from the More menu at the top, and you go down to End Meeting in red. Once you click End Meeting, you'll get this pop-up menu. If you want to keep this meeting open, please assign another host before you click Leave Meeting. Well, if you're just doing this for recording and not during a real-time lecture, you will be the only participant in your meeting. So just click End Meeting for all or Leave Meeting, and either way, it will close. After you click End Meeting or Leave Meeting, you will have this Converting Meeting Recording pop up. And you have to wait for the video file to convert. It converts to MP4 format, most likely. All right. And so once you have that converted, you can go, usually this window will pop up, or you can go to your Documents folder, and there will have already been a Zoom folder created for you. It's an automatically created folder in Documents. And you can see the date and time of each video. You can open the folder for the date and time that you want, and you will see your MP4 video file. What I'm going to do next, and you can learn how to do this on YouTube from other users, you don't need to learn from me, is how to upload to YouTube. Make a YouTube video so you can have a link. And with that link, you just add it to ToyoNet Ace, and therefore you don't need to take up any space on ToyoNet Ace or worry about the size of the video file being too big. So that's it. Thank you very much for listening.